Are you tired of missing calls or messages? With the alert when phone pick up feature on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, your phone will vibrate as soon as you pick it up after missing a call or message. Here's how to set it up so you never miss a notification again. First, while your phone is unlocked, head into Settings. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Advanced Features. Tap Advanced Features. Tap Motion and Gestures. Now, toggle on Alert when phone pick up to enable this option. Once enabled, your phone will vibrate when you pick it up after missing a call or message. Given the function, with the alert when phone pick up feature, your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra ensures you never forget about missed call or messages. It's a simple but effective way to stay on top of your notification. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.